I started martial arts to learn how to defend myself when there's a fight or anything like that. My mom said that when I started martial arts, I got to eat more because I was really tired after, and then I was kind of shy to new people before martial arts. But then if I know the people, then I'm not shy at all. My favorite thing at the club is that I get to learn all these new stuff while having fun and being with my friends. After school, the Ninja Bus picks me up and then drops me off here at martial arts. That sometimes you get treats from Grandmaster Mark.
Okay, so whose idea was it to start coming to do martial arts?
My idea.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did she nag you a lot?
Yes, every time she sees the focus band go to Mansfield,
Yeah.
she'd always call me and tell me, it's the focus, it's a school.
Have you noticed a difference in Bea over the short time she's been here?
Yeah, a huge difference.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's smiling more.
Yeah.
And then she's more focused with what she does, and then she's having fun more now. Yeah.
Alright, so Bea here is a fantastic student to have in class. She is always energetic, she's trying 110% of each class, and she has awesome technique, so we know that one day she will make a fantastic black belt. Ha!
If you want to do martial arts, then come here to Focus because it's the best martial arts place ever, and the instructors are super nice.